Hello, so we're going to be looking at how you can transfer your WorldCoins from the WorldCoin app to mobile money, that is Ugandan Shillings or PayPal. Right now, those are the options I have seen on the system that I'm going to be recommending to you, though I have sent the system a request so that they can add on cheaper cash to the system, they can add on Cash App, they can add on different payment gateways. So what you're going to first do is that okay, before you get started, what you need to do is that you have to come here on the settings. Okay, click here, and then you go to make sure that your account is verified. Then you're going to click on this. Okay, so you will need your address. You will need this address. That's all you're going to be needing. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your Chrome. Then in Chrome, you're going to type in this address, covaul.com. That's like covaul.com, but the system is called Coin Vault. Actually, this system basically, I saw that it was built on the main purpose of helping people to save their crypto coins. Yeah, so this is how the system looks like. I'll accept this, I'll allow this. Okay, let me cross this. Okay, so this is how the system looks like. First thing first, what you're going to first do is that you're going to come and click on this option. You're going to click on this option, and then you click on login. So me, I already have an account with Caesar. I'll just click login. I'll click on login. So this is my account. So when you look at my account, you can see that I've already made a transfer. The first transfer you can see was this. Let me show you. The first transfer was with PayPal. You can see this transaction was with PayPal, though it was cancelled because I never wanted my funds to go in PayPal. Then another transfer was with mobile money. You can see that it was approved. Then when we look at another transfer, this was another transfer whereby I was making some test, though it was rejected. I never completed the transaction. So let us first go in my WorldCoin app, and I show you this transaction which was completed. So this was the transaction which was completed. You're just waiting for the network to load. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, okay. Now, okay, the network has loaded. So this was the transaction which was completed here. Yeah, that was the withdraw transaction which was completed. All right. So what you're going to do is that when you're going on your app, you're going to click here. When you have logged in, you're going to click here. Click on that. Then you click on Exchange Now. You're going to come and click on Exchange Now. So when you click on Exchange Now, you're going to have two options. You're going to put in what you are sending, and this is what you are getting. Now, we are going to choose WorldCoin. You're going to choose WorldCoin because it's what we are sending. Then, what we are getting here, you're going to put in Airtel. I like Airtel. Then, how many WorldCoins am I going to be sending? Let me see. I'm going to be sending 10. Yeah. I'll be sending 10. So here you see that I'll be getting 20.10. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be getting in US dollar. So it doesn't show in UGX, though it will pay me in UGX. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on Exchange Now. So when I click on Exchange Now, this is a confirmation screen. You see, for the transaction, they will charge me only 0.20 WLD, and they will charge me also 1.10 USD for just the conversion rate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in my number where I want to get my funds. I'll put in 07. That's my number. Then name. Okay. So the name and I'm making an error. Country code. This is a country code, not the name. Country code 256. Then full name. All right. Then I'll click on Exchange Now. So when I click on Exchange Now, here you see that they have given me the address. So before you go forth, first make sure that you see these last 5 digits. Make sure that you see the last 5 digits. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on copy. You're going to copy this address. click on copy, you go back to your WorldCoin app and then just click on send. So when you click on send here, in this area, you're going to paste in your address. So maybe when it's your first time to receive these coins, you'll be receiving a notification telling you to synchronize your contacts. Just send on now. Then I'm going to click here and paste in the address. So as I told you, make sure that you look at these last 5 digits, because some of us here are using mobile devices, but these mobile devices are already affected by viruses, whereby you can copy an address, paste it in, and then the funds will go to another person. Yeah, so that's the account. Then click on this address to confirm. Click on that, and then confirm that you are sending to Optimism. Yeah, sure, I confirm. All right, so here they're asking you, what are you going to be sending? I'm going to be sending WorldCoin. So your WorldCoin balance, okay, I'll be putting in 20.60. I just want to send it to 20.60. Then I click on confirm. Here I'm going to hold, boom, it's done. So when it is done, right now here it is sending, it doesn't, okay, it has confirmed. All right, so I'm going to click on back. Then when I click on back and I refresh, still my balance is still showing, though this is because the transaction hasn't yet completed on the network. So what I'll go, I'll click on settings, click on account, then I copy this, what it is, I copy this address. Then when I copy this address, I'll come in and paste this address here, because they asked me for the sender's address. This is just like for confirmation, to confirm that it's me who has sent these funds. That means no one else can claim my money. If it wasn't my wallet, then that means it's like, if what is my wallet, then that means the transaction to be completed. And also, if maybe they want to reverse the transaction, maybe there were like double charges or double transfers, this is the wallet they have to reverse my funds on. Then you click on submit. So when you click on submit, the good thing I like about it is that you can also get what we call you can get an invoice for your transaction. Yep, you can get the invoice for your transaction, and you can keep it open it anytime. And beside that, you can also come here and copy your exchange ID. Come on the main screen, and then you can input it exchange ID and then track it and see. So when I track this ID, you can see that these funds were approved. Okay, so that was a transaction which I already confirmed. But when you come on here right now with this transfer which I have just made, you can come and see that it's still pending. So okay, this will happen even if you are trying to send your funds from PayPal to any currency, or you're trying to send someone funds and then you want to confirm that the money was sent. This is a very great system to be using. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my WorldCoin app to make sure that money is being deducted, not yet deducted. That means that funds haven't yet gone through, the transaction hasn't yet gone through. So I will have to wait. As you can see that it is still loading. So I will have to wait for the funds to be deducted from my WorldCoin app to the system. Then I will be getting a notification when my funds are being processed, and I will be getting the funds on my Airtel as being initiated. Yeah, thank you for following up. That's all for today. Maybe I'll come and show you how you can use your WorldCoin app in other transactions. Sharp.